How to fix OCBC app not working. If the OCBC app isn't working, the first thing you can try to check is the internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't help you solve the problem, if you're using VPN, proxy or any sort of settings like that, make sure to disable them as well. If you're using the OCBC app on Android, long press the app icon, tap the eye or the information icon to come to the app info page. This setting will be found on any Android device. Then from here, scroll down and tap on storage, then clear the cache files and you can also clear the data. Once you clear the cache files and data, you can go to your Play Store or App Store, search for the OCBC mobile banking app, check if it has an update, and if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.